In this lesson, I want to show you how to play another groove. You know, we created the first groove before. Now this one is, it's a little jazzy, groovy. All right, so we're going to learn how to do this. And this is a groove that you can take anywhere with you. You can, just jam out with it. Get somebody to play the drums or another instrument. You can just jam out with it. Okay, so it sounds something like this. Okay, so that's what that sounds like. Now, you're probably wondering, what was I just playing? Okay, I'm going to show it to you. Don't worry about it, all right? Okay, so let's start first with the left hand. With the left hand bass, I'm just doing the circles to fourth. I didn't go much detail into that, but in another course, I'm going to go in a lot more detail. Okay, so with the left hand, you play the F. That's F, B, E flat, A flat, and then back to the F. Now it sounds better when you play the left and the bass like this compared to if you come up here. It just doesn't sound that same. So you want to play this in the deeper part. You can play this lower as you can on your keyboard. If you have a 76 keys or 88 keys, then you want to play it at the lower end because it gives that bass, since that right hand is going to be chomping, and when you combine both of them. Okay, so with the left and you're going. Okay, so that's it. So it's B, E flat, F, B flat, E flat, A flat, F, B flat, E flat, and A flat. Okay? So now the right hand is, so you have E flat, you have G, A flat, and C. Okay, so you press all four at the same time. So E flat, G, A flat, and C. So this go with the F. So you just want to kind of hop on that. Oh yeah. Okay, so now that you play this one, so in the bass, you move the bass from the F. Next, you want to take the bass to the B flat. Okay, and all you're doing with the right hand is the G, the A flat, and the C stays the same. All you're doing is just bringing the E flat down to the D. So, if you notice, the G, A flat, and C stays the same. Okay, so let me show that again. So from the F. So we're going from the F to the B flat. From the F, the left hand is F, the right hand is E flat, G, A flat, and C. And then when you go to the B flat, all you're doing is you're keeping these fingers the same, and you just dropping the thumb to the D. And you can mix it up. If you want to get that island feel. Yeah, man. All right now. So you can start your own party with this. Get the neighbors. Tell your neighbors gather around. You got a party going on. In your living room, in your backyard, wherever you want to have the party going on. Okay, so we have the F. And then we have the B flat. Okay, so now, next thing that we need to do is we need to play the E flat. So with the E flat, the right hand position is going to change. So with the right hand is C sharp, F, F sharp, and B flat. Okay? So now you have here the C sharp, F, F sharp, and B flat. And you're playing that with the E flat. Okay, and then you go from the E flat, you go to the A. Now once again, all you have to do is take your thumb from this C sharp and just drop it to the C. So from a C sharp to a C. These other notes, they don't move. So from a C sharp to a C. So you have the E flat in the bass like this. So the left is E flat, the right is C sharp, F, F sharp, and B flat. And then you go to the A flat. And you just keep this the same and you just drop that like that. So C, F, F sharp, B flat. And that's pretty much the whole thing. And then you just go back again to the F. So the whole thing is from this. Okay, so that's what it needs to sound like. So when you put it all together, it should sound something like this. Okay, now if you wanted to spice it up a little bit, you know. And all I was doing is, so before I get to the B, I just play the A, B, whatever note is at the, you know, the left of it. So to give it that little jazzy feel. So you can play many different ways, you know, take that, you know, go jam with it. There you have it, folks.